Welcome back to the den. Now, this week my project involves padauk and turquoise milliput. But before then, I've had a request. You could say a customer complaint. I'll let you decide. It's from a special Australian that some of you may know and love. I'll let him explain.
What's on YouTube? Go have a look. Making it out of the woods. Claire, she's alright. She does some good stuff. Let's have a look.
Let's get on with today's project. I took this huge chunk of Douglas fir and turned it into a funky hanging succulent plant.
Turned it?
Now, this is my largest turning to date. Getting it to round was a little
What's
bit
going
scary,
on?
but you sit back and enjoy.
Why's everyone into turning? I'm getting sick of this. Fair income. Oh, Claire, make something rectangular box. I don't know.
So, I think we know that some of these Australians are a little bit delicate. I don't know whether it's because they live upside down and the spinning of the lathe makes them feel sick. I don't know. But anyway, it does raise a good point. When I started this channel, it was more about renovation and upcycling. And with my new love of turning, I've moved away from that somehow. So what I've decided to do is I'll continue to make turning videos because I love them and I'm addicted to turning, but I'll upload those on Tuesdays as usual. But I'm going to introduce something called FOXY Fry DIY Days. And on FOXY Fry DIY Days, I'll be uploading videos, making all sorts of stuff without any turning elements. Now, FOXY Fry DIY Days, that's the third time I've said it. Quite pleased with myself. FOXY Fry DIY Days, oh, that's number 4. I won't be putting videos up quite as often. Tuesdays will be my most regular, but when I do pop them up, I'll put a green banner in the corner of each thumbnail to let you know that it's a non-turning project. Let's get on with today's project. So this is it. I was really happy with how this turned out. I bought some tiny oil burners from Axminster and that fits in beautifully. I'll show you some beauty shots at the end. The only problem I had was when it flew off the lathe. I'm really not sure what happened. I don't know if I was putting too much pressure on it or using my tool at the wrong angle. So I did have a tiny ding just in the top there. See? But overall, it's my most sensible turning to date and I'm really pleased with the finish. This padauk is lovely. I just can't get enough of the foxy colour. I've had a sticker this week. A chap called Simon over at Crafty Fox YouTube channel, and he sent me a foxy. It's a little bit like my foxy. Well, we can't have too many foxes in the world, so that's all good. Thank you as always to my patrons, Raymond and Peter. Don't forget to check out Dirk's channel. He creates some amazing stuff, even though he does complain about my YouTube turning videos. He's a lovely guy. Check him out. I'll put a link to his page below. Stay safe in your workshops. I'll see you all next week. Take very good care, and most of all, stay foxy.